Hey there, this is Wanda, and today I want to take a look at flipping my Bee Thing mini banner into a mini Thanksgiving banner. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out some of my images here. Let's see. I'm going to relink to a different file, and I'm going to find some digital papers that I have. So I'm going to look at my fall papers. I'm going to go with some gingham. And I think I'm going to go with this color. Okay. So where is my other? Oh, okay. Let me relink to another file. Relink to file. And I'm going to go back to my papers. Going to fall. And do I want to do gingham again, or do I want to do something slightly different? Let's just go here. Okay. All right. So change that out. I'm going to change my stroke color. I'm going to pick this darker orange. Go with that. This one. I'm going to change my stroke color. Go with the lighter orange. This one. Change my stroke color. Go with the lighter orange. This one, I'm going to go with the darker. Okay. And I'm going to change out the B for something else. I'm going to go to relink to file. And I'm going to pull up some fall clip art from Happy Doodles. And let's see. Let's go with this pumpkin for now. I may change it to something else. I'm going to swap out the honey pot and link it to something else. Relink to file. See if there's anything else in here. Kind of like that pumpkin centerpiece. Don't need the honey. And that's a little small. I'm going to resize it. Not sure I like that. Maybe I want to do a leaf. Relink to file. maybe I'll take this leaf. Let's see how that looks. Maybe I'll add another leaf. It's red. We go with the brown color. That's too big. I'm not sure I like that, but let's see. I'm maybe I'll try this, see how I like it. Okay, I think I need to change my stroke color on here. That. And then this stroke color to that. Okay. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna copy the layer style. Where is it? Copy layer style. And then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna paste the layer style. So that changes. I'm gonna do that here. Paste layer style. That way I can be sure they're all alike. Paste and go here. I'm gonna do paste. I don't know that a B goes with that. Leave that off. Let's see what else. The clip art I have in here that I might lack. Hmm. I don't know, guys. I'm so indecisive on this. Let's try this. It's a lot of orange in there together, though, isn't it? My B. Okay. All right. So I've swapped out my images here. And now I'm going to go through and change my wording. So all I need to do, because I've already set up my variables, I'm using a variable. And what by variable, I just mean I have a spreadsheet that I created here. And on my spreadsheet, I have 4 columns and I have enough rows to spell out Happy Thanksgiving. And you'll see that Thanksgiving ended up in this first cell, but I have to have something in here in each one of the rows for all of the columns if there's something there. So I put in just some placeholder text, some placeholder punctuation so that I can use. Then from here, I have to save out my file as a CSV file. And you want to make sure after you do that, you close out your file because it needs to be closed or you'll get an error message. And then I simply need to go to File, Export, and you're going to go to Data Sets as Files. I'm going to do that, and it's select folder, and I want to go to banner, do fall, do Thanksgiving. I'm going to select that as my folder, and then I'm just going to change this to Thanksgiving. Put PCP for Pretty Cute Press, and then I'm going to click OK. And it's going to start going through and running that out. And I forgot to show you, but I'd already set up the mapping of my file so that it knew which of these letters on my table to put into which thing. So when I open up my file folder and go to back here and back to teacher banner Thanksgiving, then now I have 5 PSD files. And if I open one of those files, you'll see that instead of the W's here, now I have the letters from my spreadsheet, from my variable spreadsheet in here instead. Okay, so the next step to get this from PSD files to something where somebody could actually print, I would go to File, I would go down to Scripts, then I'm going to go to Image Processor, and then it's saying what images, what files do you want me to process? So I'm going to select the folder, and I'm going to go to Banner Thanksgiving, click OK, and then it's asking what location. I want it to be in the same location. Then I want it to go from JPEG. I want it to go from these PSD files to actual JPEG. And then I just click Run. And it's going to go through and it's going to process each one of those PSD files. And it's going through. Okay, it's completed. No, not yet. Okay, now. All right, so now it put a new folder in there that says JPEG. And then from there, you can see that now I have 5 JPEG files that is going to spell out Happy Thanksgiving, and then with those extra punctuations there. So from here, either you can save, you have these like here, or I like to take it a little one step further, and I would do that. And then I would convert it to Adobe PDF. I can do this because I have Adobe Creative Cloud, and it will allow me to convert images like that. I don't know if you have the free version. I'm not sure that if you can do that or not, but that's one of the tools that's available under Adobe PDF, a pro version of that. So I would do that, and then I would combine those files and then have them presented there. And I'll actually have this as a freebie on my blog, and I will include a link to it so that you can access um, this printable that you can have for your Thanksgiving if you like. And if you have any questions on this quick walkthrough of how I flip the template, leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.